Hello guys. I know a lot of you will be hearing of this website that says listening to music and get paid. That's true. It's a really cool website that pays to listening to music. I'm going to show you proof at the end of this video. So don't worry, I'm going to show you payment proof from this way of listening to music and get paid at the end of the day. So to listening to music and get paid, you need to go to this website, which is called. So guys, if you don't know me, my name is God's Power and I make video a way on how to make money. If it's your first time of coming to this channel, don't forget to like and comment, leave your thought about this particular video, and that will help me to know if you like the video or not. So leave your comment and thank you very much if you do that. So let's get started. So the website we are talking about is Current. Current is a very simple application that you can install on your smartphone and start using the application to listening to music and you get paid. That is all you just need to do. Listening to music and you get paid. So to have the application, go to your Google Play Store and install it. So once you install it, this is how the application would look like. So all you just need to do is to click on it. Once you click on it, they will ask you to register and you have to enter your email and you have to enter your password, and that is all. You will have your account created. They will send you a verification email. You verify your account and that is all you just need to do. Then the next thing is for you to just come and select any music and start playing music. So to play music on this application, just go to the music icon center and click on the search artist. Search for any artist that you want to search for, and once you search for the artist, you can just start play the play button and you will start listening to music, and at the end of the day you will get paid. As you can see, they will pay you per minute. They will pay you 0.6 points per a minute for listening to video. So that's it. I will show you the minimum amount you can cash out, so you can save your favorite radio station or your favorite artist. You can save it and you can invite people, which is the part that is very good. You can invite 10 people and you will make a minimum amount of $250 for inviting 10 people, and they have to be active people that is really using this application that is called Current app, that allows you to listen to music and make money. So that is how it works. It's very simple. Listening to music and get paid. Refer your friend and get $25 into your Current app, or you can cash it into your Amazon account. You can cash it into your PayPal account, and you can use it to shop online too. So that is how it works. It's very simple. I hope you understand how this application works. So I'm going to go to the earning session. The earning session, how you make money. I told you listening to music, and they have another option. You can still make money. You can install application. You get paid, like participating in daily task, and you get paid. And you can still go to the daily task too. You can see the this tab research, hot surveys, and fund surveys. You can go to those websites through this website that is called Current, and you will make money for just doing that. And if you go back, you will see too. If you go back to, you will see that you can even watch video and get paid at the end of the day. So as you can see currently right now, they are telling me that there is no video for me to watch, but maybe in later the day they will give me some video to watch and I will get paid for just listening to music. So that is how it works, and it's very simple. So all you just need to do is to go and start using this website, which is called Current app, that allows you to listen to music and get paid. So we are going to get to the session where I have to redeem my point. So as you can see currently right now, I have $1 they have given me $1 for just listening to music. So I have to redeem the $1. So to redeem it is with PayPal. As you can see, you have multiple way of redeeming your money. You can use your money to buy phone. They have this phone that is called mobile phone. You can go and see what this phone is, which is called Model. I don't know what the phone is about, but you can see that you can buy this phone and you can be paying monthly with your Current app point. So as you can see, BB, you can go to and get your BB gift card, and you can go and get that, and you will get, I think they will pay you about they will give you some percentage at the end of everything. So as you can see, they can pay you to Bitcoin too. So you can see this is Bitcoin, and if you can get just $3, you can get $3 for from Bitcoin for just using this for listening to music. Listening to music, once you have the particular amount of point, which is the minimum amount of point to cash out, you will be able to cash out your point for the price that you want. You can see currently right now I have $1 paper, which is what we are going to redeem later. So I'm just showing you around. As you can see, you can even use it to buy ear sets. As you can see, airport style wireless headphone. They have airport style wireless headphone. As you can see, is here, and you can get it. You can get this earphone for 19,000 points, 19,000 points and 950 points. 19,000 points, 950 points, which normally the price of this earphone is $44.99, which is the normal price on their website, which you are going to get for free, and which is 99,550 points to get this headset. So that is it, and that is it. All you just need to do is to listen to music and you get paid. Like I'm saying again, you can even get a wristwatch. You can see the Bluetooth smartwatch. You can get it for the normal price of this headset is $79.99, and you can get this Bluetooth smartwatch for the price. The normal price on their website is $79.99, but you can get it from current app for 2,500 points for from Easter from current app. So that is how it works, and you can still come down to you find another smartwatch too, the premium smartwatch with camera and Bluetooth. So you can get these two for the amount of 25,500 points. The normal price on their website is $89.99. So that is it, guys. That is it. That is how the website works, and you can see a lot of things you can get from this website. You can see that you can even get this portable mini Bluetooth speaker. So you can get this mini speaker for 25,550 points. That is how it works, guys. It's very simple, and you can see it's a customizable Bluetooth is a customizable mini Bluetooth speaker. So yeah, you can go and get that if you want. So you see that you can get a lot of things from this website. You can even get up to $20 with this method, just listening to music, and you get paid at the end of the day. So it's very simple. You can even redeem your point for Google Play Store. You can redeem it for Google Play Store to use it to go and buy application or buy music or do a subscription on Google Play Store if you want. So that is all. That is everything you need to understand. I showed you how you can use it. I showed you everything that concerns the app and the offers they have, and how you can make extra money if you don't want to listen to music. You can even start taking tasks, like completing tasks, and you make money at the end of the day, which is this area where you can watch video, complete tasks, and you can make up to 20 to 10,000 points for just participating on this program. So as you can see, let us go to the redeeming part, which is the area I told you. If you come to the redeeming part here, you can see that we have $1 to redeem, as you can see here. So I need to click on redeem to enter all my information. So it say use 7,950 points to redeem to redeem, and click on it to redeem, and it will say confirm your phone number in order to redeem. Okay, so right now we are going to pause the video, and I'm going to enter my phone number to confirm my earning. So as you can see, we have entered our phone number. We need to click on confirm. So click on if you confirm authenticity. If your information is discovered to be inaccurate, you will not be eligible for a reward, and your user account will be suspended. Confirm. And here we are going to go and take the code and come and paste the code here. The code is sent to us on our smartphone. The code was 43 47 45. Done. Verify. So as you can see, we just received a notification to tell us that our account have been verified. So as you can see, the earning have become 0. It have turned into 260 points, which is we just redeem $1. So we are just going to wait some days to see our earning. As you can see the word they are saying here, PayPal gift card completed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my email account to verify if I have received the money. So I'm going to head over my PayPal account to see if the PayPal gift card have been sent to my email account or my PayPal account. So just wait a second. So as you can see, I just received email from Correct Reward. So as you can see, this is the email they sent to me. And let us see the email they sent. So they say your gift card is on its way. So we can see here, say congratulations, your PayPal gift card code will be sent within the next 10 business days, which is 10 days. That is how many days they are going to use to send this money. So they are going to send this $1 in 10 business days. So that is it, guys. So when they send the money, we will see. So we are going to wait for them to send the money. Once they send the money, I will complete the video. So thank you very much, guys. So yeah, just wait and I will go to the next part, which is to see how much they send and to give you the proof that they send the money to me. Hello guys, so as you can see, Current have sent us the payment. Current app just sent us the payment proof. So I just need to click on this. This is the email they send. Redemption from Current. So this is the Current payment arrival. As you can see, your redemption from Current Media has arrived. So this is the amount they send. I think they send us 0.90, let me say 96 cents. That is how much they send, because we just cash out $1 and they take a fee of how much did they take? They take a fee of 4 cents out of the €1. So that's it, and that is how much. This is the amount that arrived on my PayPal account. So you can see the proof here that Current they really pay. So they really pay. So that's it, and thank you very much. So you see the proof that Current pays, as you can see. This is the payment proof. So that's it, guys. So thank you very much. If you watch it to the end, don't forget again, follow me on my social media. I say thank you very much. This is I am Rigos Power and we are kicking it out right now. Peace.